Hello, I'm David Council, Service Engineer for Caterpillar in the Backhoe Loader Product Group. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance practices for your 416F, 420F, and 430F backhoe loader. These maintenance practices will help you get the maximum performance out of your F-Series backhoe loader. If the angle is incorrect on the bucket positioner, it can be adjusted using this rod. By turning this rod towards the hood, it decreases the angle. By turning this rod away from the hood, increases the angle. By turning this rod approximately one full turn, will change it 3 degrees of angular measurement. To check the angle of the bucket positioner system, perform the following. Rack the loader bucket back against the stop and raise the lift arms until the bucket starts to self-level or dump. Measure the angle of the cutting edge relative to the ground. The angle should be 55 plus or minus 2 degrees. I hope you found this information to be very helpful. Always remember to consult your operation and maintenance manual for your F-Series backhoe loader.